मैं उसे ऐसा बोलना नहीं चाहता था। I didn't want to say this to him. I didn't want to say this to him. तुम दिन रात उन्नत करो, ये मेरी दुआ है। May God succeed you by leaps and bounds. May God succeed you by leaps and bounds. कोई भी उसके सामने टिक नहीं सकता। No one can stand against him. No one can stand against him. तुम्हारा जन्मदिन कब है? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? वो कुछ न कुछ सोच रहा था। He was thinking something. He was thinking something. आपने हम पर बहुत कृपा की। You have been very kind to us. You have been very kind to us. आपने ये कितने अच्छे से समझाया। How well you explained this. How well you explained this. तुम्हारे सिगरेट पीने से मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। I don't mind your smoking. I don't mind your smoking. उससे मिले हुए काफी समय हो गया है। It has been a long time since I met him. It has been a long time since I met him. तुम बीच में आए तो तुम्हें बहुत भारी पड़ेगा। If you interfere, you will have to pay for it dearly. If you interfere, you will have to pay it for dearly. सर आपकी बहुत फिक्र करते हैं। Sir speaks highly of you. Sir speaks highly of you. रिश्वत लेना उसकी मजबूरी थी। Taking bribes was his compulsion. Taking bribes was his compulsion. मैं चाहकर भी उससे बात नहीं कर सका। I couldn't talk to him even if I wanted to. I couldn't talk to him even if I wanted to. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? मेरे पैसे खत्म हो गए हैं। I have run out of money. I have run out of money. अगर मैं तुम्हारी सहायता ना करूं तो What if I don't help you? What if I don't help you? वहां जाकर तुम्हें क्या मिलेगा? What did you get by going there? What did you get by going there? 10 तारीख को मेरी माँ आएगी। My mother will come on the 10th. My mother will come on the 10th. जैसे जैसे समय बीतेगा तुम ठीक हो जाओगे। You will get better as time passes. You will get better as time passes. वो किसकी कार चलाती है? Whose car is she driving? Whose car is she driving? उसने मुझे गुस्सा दिला दिया। He made me angry. He made me angry. जैसे ही मुझे पैसे मिलेंगे मैं तुम्हें ले जाऊंगा। I will take you as soon as I get the money. I will take you as soon as I get the money. वो लोग मेरे दूर के रिश्तेदार हैं। Those people are my distant relatives. Those people are my distant relatives. हमें कंप्यूटर सीखने में 2 महीने लगे। It took us 2 months to learn computers. It took us 2 months to learn computer. आज के बाद से तुम मुझसे बात मत करना। Don't talk to me from today onwards. Don't talk to me from today onwards. मुझे नहीं लगता ये सही है। I don't think this is right. I don't think this is right. अब इसके बारे में बात करने से कोई फायदा नहीं है। There is no use in talking about it now. There is no use in talking about it now. काश मेरे पास एक फोन होता। I wish I had a phone. I wish I had a phone. वो पक्का मोबाइल चला रहा होगा। He must be using a mobile phone. He must be using a mobile phone. तुम शर्मा क्यों रहे हो? Why are you feeling shy? Why are you feeling shy? जहां तक मैं उसे जानता हूं, As far as I know him, as far as I know him, जब तक तुम मुझे वजह नहीं बताओगे मैं पैसे उधार नहीं दूंगा. I won't lend the money until you tell me. I won't lend the money until you tell me. जो हो गया सो हो गया. Whatever's done is done. Whatever's done is done. उन लोगों ने उसे आम चोरी करते हुए पकड़ा. They caught him stealing mangoes. They caught him stealing mangoes. देखिए क्या हो रहा है. See what is happening. See what is happening. क्या करूं मैं? What should I do? What should I do? ये सब उसकी करतूत है. This is all his doing. This is all his doing. क्या तुमने अभी तक टिकट बुक नहीं की है? Haven't you booked your ticket yet? Haven't you booked your ticket yet? ऊपर वाले की कृपा से हम सही सलामत घर पहुंच गए. By the grace of God we reached home safely. By the grace of God we reached home safely. तुम गाड़ी की चाबियां भूल गए. You forgot the car keys. You forgot the car keys. क्या बेहुदगी है. What nonsense. What nonsense. आज बारिश होने की संभावना है. There is a possibility of rain today. There is a possibility of rain today. वो पिछले महीने मुझे मिला. I got it last month. I got it last month. कितनी आलसी लड़के हो तुम. What a lazy boy you are. What a lazy boy you are. उसमें यहाँ आने की हिम्मत नहीं है. He doesn't have the courage to come here. He doesn't have the courage to come here. बालों में तेल लगा लो. Apply all to hair. Apply all to hair. ज़्यादा होशियार मत बनो. Don't be too smart. Don't be too smart. कृपया मुझे कैसे भी यहाँ से निकाल लो. Please get me out of here somehow. Please get me out of here somehow. आपकी आवाज को क्या हुआ? What happened to your voice? What happened to your voice? झगड़ा मत करो. Don't fight. Don't fight. हमारी तू मैं हो गई. We exchanged hot words. We exchanged hot words. दूर हो जाओ मेरी नजरों के सामने से. Get away from my sight. Get away from my sight. मेरा पेन कहीं नहीं मिल रहा है. I can't find my pen anywhere. I can't find my pen. ये सच है कि मैं रीना से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. The truth is I love Reena very much. The truth is I love Reena very much. मुझे फालतू बातें करना पसंद नहीं है. I don't like to talk rubbish. I don't like to talk rubbish. मैं इंतज़ार करते करते थक गया हूँ. I am tired of waiting. I am tired of waiting. आज मेरा भाग दौड़ वाला दिन था. Today was a hectic day. Today was a hectic day. मुझे आपकी बहुत याद आई. I missed you a lot. I missed you a lot. टेबल से गिलास को हटा दो. Move the glass off the table. Move the glass off the table. अगर वो तुम्हारे साथ नहीं है तो वो कहाँ है? If he is not with you, then where is he? If he is not with you, then where is he? मैं आपका नेटवर्क नहीं खोज पा रहा हूँ. I can't find your network. I can't find your network. तमाशा मत बनाओ. Don't make a scene. Don't make a scene. बोलो मैं रास्ते में ही हूँ. Tell me I am on my way. Tell me I am on my way. चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका। A guilty conscience needs no accuser. A guilty conscience needs no accuser. मैं वो नहीं हूँ। I am not him. I am not him. क्या तुम कुछ हिंट दे सकते हो? Can you give some hints? Can you give some hints? मैं 15 नवंबर को इस शहर में फंस गया था। I was stuck in this city on 15th November. I was stuck in this city on 15th November. मैं उसे कुछ बता नहीं पाया। I couldn't tell him anything. I couldn't tell him anything. अगर तुम्हारे सारे पैसे खो गए तो What if you lose all your money? What if you lose all your money? तुम्हारे बगल में कौन था? Who was next to you? Who was next to you? क्या आपके पास टिप्पणी करने के लिए कोई विचार है? Do you have any thoughts to comment? Do you have any thoughts to comment? मेरी हंसी छूट गई। I burst out laughing. I burst out laughing. क्या कहा उन्होंने? What did he say? What did he say? कोई नहीं, होता है। No problems, it happens. No problems, it happens. क्या ये सब मेरी वजह से हुआ? Did all this happen because of me? Did all this happen because of me? काश मैं अमीर होता। I wish I would have been rich. I wish I would have been rich. मैं घर पहुंचने ही वाला हूँ। I am about to reach home. I am about to reach home. मैं तुम्हारे लिए कोई जोखिम नहीं ले सकता। I can't take any risk for you. I can't take any risk for you. मैं अब आपके साथ और नहीं रह सकता। I can't stay with you anymore. I can't stay with you anymore. तुम्हें हमारा सहयोग करना चाहिए। You should cooperate with us. You should cooperate with us. अपने आप पर भरोसा रखो। Have faith in yourself. Have faith in yourself. मीडिया को इसकी भनक भी ना लगे। The media should not even get a whiff of it. The media should not even get a whiff of it. आज मैं ये तुम्हारे मुंह पर बोल रहा हूँ। Today I am saying this on your face. Today I am saying this on your face. वो अभी भी तुमसे प्यार करती है। She still love you. She still love you. वो एक नंबर का ठरकी है। He is flirty of the first order. He is flirty of the first order. उसमें मुझे रोकने की हिम्मत नहीं थी। He didn't have the courage to stop me. He didn't have the courage to stop me. आपकी जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता। No one can take your place. No one can take your place. तुम्हारा जन्मदिन कब है? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? आखिर आपकी छुट्टियां कैसे चल रही हैं? Well, how are your holidays going on? Well, how are your holidays going on? तुम जाओ, मैं देख लूँगा इसे। You go, I will see it. You go, I will see it. उम्मीद है आपने ये कर दिया होगा। Hope you have done this. Hope you have done this. मैं यहाँ माफ़ी मांगने नहीं आया हूँ। I have not come here to apologize. I have not come here to apologize. मेरे जीवन में बहुत टेंशन है। There is a lot of tension in my life. There is a lot of tension in my life. मुझे कैसे पता होगा? हाउ वुड आई नो? हाउ वुड आई नो? मेरी चप्पल घिस गई. माई स्लीपर्स गॉट worn out. My slippers got worn out. तुम्हें इससे क्या? What is this to you? What is this to you? आपस में सलाह कर लो. Consult among yourselves. Consult among yourselves. तुम फालतू में वहां क्यों जा रहे हो? Why are you going there unnecessarily? Why are you going there unnecessarily? मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. ये भी कोई पूछने वाली बात है. It goes without asking. It goes without asking. मैंने जो किया है वो माफ़ी के लायक नहीं है. What I did is not pardonable. What I did is not pardonable. जैसा तुम कहोगे मैं वैसा करूँगा. I will do as you say. I will do as you say. तुम दल बदलू हो. You are a turncoat. You are a turncoat. मैं नहीं जानता कि वो क्या चाहता है. I don't know what he wants. I don't know what he wants. आपकी आवाज़ कट रही है. Your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. मैं बिल्कुल बेकसूर हूँ. I am absolutely innocent. I am absolutely innocent. इसे सीधे पकड़ो. Hold it perfect. Hold it perfect. क्या आप मेरी उसके साथ तुलना कर रहे हो? Are you comparing me with him? Are you comparing me with him? यहाँ तुम्हारी कोई इज्जत नहीं करता. No one respects you here. No one respects you here. क्या ये कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो रहा है? Is this not too much? Is this not too much? लगता है तुम बहुत अच्छे से जानते हो उसे. It seems you know him very well. It seems you know him very well. एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती. It takes two to make a quarrel. It takes two to make a quarrel. मैं अब भी तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. I still love you. I still love you. तुम किस बात के लिए दुखी हो? What are you sad about? What are you sad about? मैं अपनी इज्जत नहीं खोना चाहता. I don't want to lose my respect. I don't want to lose my respect. तुम्हें सोच समझकर बोलना चाहिए. You should speak thoughtfully. You should speak thoughtfully. तुम हमारी दोस्ती के लायक नहीं हो. You are not worthy of our relationship. You are not worthy of our relationship. तुम इतने मुंहफट क्यों हो? Why are you so blunt? Why are you so blunt? इसे सीखना पड़ेगा. He will have to learn this. He will have to learn this. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. मैं बिल्कुल बेकसूर हूँ. I am absolutely innocent. I am absolutely innocent. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. तुम जाओ मैं देख लूँगा इसे. You go and I'll see it. You go and I'll see it. मुझे कैसे पता होगा? How would I know? How would I know? तुम्हें इससे क्या? What is that to you? What is that to you? आप कितने बजे जाओगे? At what time will you go? At what time will you go? आप कितने बजे आओगे? What time will you come? What time will you come? मैं नहीं जानता कि वो क्या चाहता है. I don't know what he wants. I don't know what he wants. तुम्हारी वजह से आत्महत्या करने का वक्त आ गया है. The time has come to commit suicide because of you. The time has come to commit suicide because of you. पंखा बहुत हिल रहा है. The fan is shaking a lot. The fan is shaking a lot. बचपन से. Since childhood. Since childhood. जाओ जहाँ जाना है. Go wherever you want to go. Go wherever you want to go. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. मुझे आपकी मदद करने में खुशी होगी. I will be happy to help you. I will be happy to help you. उसका कोई भरोसा नहीं. He has no trust. He has no trust. मैं मांगता कुछ और हूँ और तुम लाते कुछ और हो. I ask for a fork and you bring a rag. I ask for a fork and you bring a rag. यहाँ की बात वहाँ मत करो. Don't backbite. Don't backbite. मुझे इस मोबाइल में गाने नहीं मिले. I could not find songs on this mobile. I could not find songs on this mobile. एहसान मत करो. Don't do a favor. Don't do a favor. घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. There is no fan of domestic son. There is no fan of domestic hen. मुझे कोई सफाई नहीं चाहिए. I don't want any clarification. I don't want any clarification. वो कोई ऐसी वैसी लड़की नहीं है. She is not that ordinary girl. She is not that ordinary girl. मुझे क्या पता. What do I know? What do I know? मैं भी तेरे साथ यहीं खड़ा हूँ. I am also stand here with you. I am also stand here with you. मैं कल आपको बताना भूल गया था. I forgot to tell you yesterday. I forgot to tell you yesterday. वो ना केवल एक शिक्षक है बल्कि एक अच्छे पिता भी हैं. He is not only a teacher but also a good father. He is not only a teacher but also a good father. वो देखकर रोने लगा. He started crying after seeing it. He started crying after seeing it. चलती का नाम गाड़ी. Nothing succeeds like success. Nothing succeeds like success. क्या बोलने से फ़ायदा है? Is there any use of speaking? Is there any use of speaking? इसीलिए हम तुम्हारे लिए गिफ्ट लाए हैं. That's why we have brought a gift for you. That's why we have brought a gift for you. कल रात जो लड़की आई थी वो कौन थी? Who was the girl who came last night? Who was the girl who came last night? वो खेलने में लगा हुआ है. He is busy playing. He is busy playing. तुम्हें अपनी गलती माननी चाहिए. You should accept your mistake. You should accept your mistake. मैं नहीं जानता कैसे लेकिन मुझे पता लगाना होगा. I don't know how but I'll find out. I don't know how but I'll find out. So that's it for today. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ ऐसे ही सेंटेंसेस के